segmented, 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 rigid, 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 exoskeleton, 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 abdomen, 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 cockroach, 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 trachea, 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 insecta, 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 surface, 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 bilaterally, 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 aquatic, 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 grasshopper, 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 layers, 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 symmetrical, 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 thorax, 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 terrestrial, 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 jointed, 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 respiration, 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 butterfly, 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 various, 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 gills, 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 triploplastic, 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 deer, 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 fused, 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 members, 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 permit, 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 intervals, 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 exhibit, 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 ecdysis, 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 sensory, 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 growths, 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 appendages, 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 movement, 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 cheating, 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 feeding, 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 reproduction, 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 layers, layers, layers. So I have these 2-letter, 3-letter, and 4-letter words we're likely going to see on today's comprehension. So let's pronounce them together. Off, or, at, to, as, be, in. Again, off, or, at, to, as, be, in. leg, 4, a, d, may, end. Again, leg, 4, a, d, may, end. And for 4-letter words, we have mean, gill, long, book, used, sheet, some, into, search, day, half, body, hard, made. Again, mean, gill, long, book, used, sheet, some, into, search, day, have, body, heart, made. So here is the outcome of our today's words pronunciation. So let's read together. Characteristics of arthropodia. Characteristics of arthropodia. 1. They have segmented bodies. 2. They have hard, rigid exoskeleton made of chitin. 3. Some are aquatic while others are terrestrial. 4. Their bodies are bilaterally symmetrical. 5. Their bodies are divided into 2 or 3 segments, such as the head, thorax, and abdomen, which may be fused in some members. 6. They are triploplastic. They have 3 body layers. Again, their bodies are bilaterally symmetrical. 5. Their bodies are divided into 2 or 3 segments, such as the head, thorax, and abdomen, which may be fused in some members. 6. They are triploblastic. They have 3 body layers. 7. They exhibit moulting or ecdysis. They shed their exoskeleton at intervals to permit growth. Again, they exhibit moulting or ecdysis. They shed their exoskeleton at intervals to permit growth.